In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of HubSpot versus Salesforce versus Pipedrive versus GoHighLevel for popular CRM and business platforms, so you can understand the real differences, strengths, and which one fits your workflow and goals the best. HubSpot CRM is known for being easy to use and beginner-friendly. The interface is intuitive, which makes it a good choice if you're new to CRMs or your team doesn't want to spend weeks learning a system. With HubSpot, you can store contacts, track deals, log emails and calls, schedule tasks, and see a visual pipeline of how leads are moving through your sales stages. The free plan offers a solid starting point, and as your needs grow, you can add marketing automation, reporting, and sales acceleration tools. The biggest advantage is that you can get started without technical expertise, which appeals to small businesses, freelancers, and teams that want simplicity and visibility without setup headaches. On the other hand, as your business becomes more complex, needing deeper automation, advanced reporting, or multi-team workflows, the free plan and even some paid tiers can feel limiting unless you upgrade. Salesforce sits at the other end of the scale. It's one of the most powerful and customizable CRM platforms available, and it's built for large teams, complex sales processes, and enterprises with detailed workflows. You can tailor nearly every part of the system: custom objects, automation rules, forecast reports, multi-department integrations. All of this gives you fine-grained control over how your business runs. The downside is complexity. Salesforce has a steeper learning curve, often requiring admin training or setup help, and it can be more expensive than simpler CRM tools. For big organizations with specialized needs and multiple departments, Salesforce's depth can be a major advantage. For smaller teams or those without dedicated CRM administrators, the complexity and cost may outweigh the power. Pipedrive takes a simpler, deal-focused approach. The interface is clean and visual, showing you a pipeline where each deal moves stage by stage until it's won or lost. The emphasis here is straightforward sales execution: add a contact, assign a deal, schedule follow-ups, and move deals through a sales funnel that you can customize but doesn't overwhelm you with options. Pipedrive excels for small and medium sales teams that want clarity and speed rather than heavy configuration. It's not as deep in automation or reporting as Salesforce or some advanced marketing tools in HubSpot, but for pipeline management and keeping a team focused on closing deals, it's very effective. If you don't need a full CRM ecosystem and just want manageable pipelines and activity tracking, Pipedrive gets the job done without unnecessary complexity. GoHighLevel is different from the rest because it combines CRM with marketing, automation, funnels, and client management features, making it less of a pure CRM and more of an all-in-one business platform. Instead of just tracking contacts and deals, GoHighLevel includes workflows that automate SMS or email outreach, funnels that capture leads, calendars that book appointments, and pipelines that track conversions. This makes it especially attractive for agencies, service providers, or businesses that rely heavily on lead generation and automated follow-ups. For example, if you want to capture a lead from a web form, send a sequence of messages, book a call, and track the entire lifecycle, GoHighLevel ties all of that together in one place. The trade-off is that its broad feature set can be overwhelming, and the interface may feel complex if you only want basic CRM functions. It's great for businesses that want marketing plus CRM plus automation under one roof, but it may be more than necessary for teams focused solely on simple contact tracking and deal management. So how do you decide between these platforms? HubSpot is excellent if you want an approachable starter CRM with the option to grow into marketing and sales automation. Salesforce is the choice when your business needs deep customization, enterprise-level workflows, and a system that can handle complex organizational requirements. Pipedrive is perfect for teams that want simple, visual pipeline management and fast execution without heavy setup. And GoHighLevel works best for businesses or agencies that need a unified platform combining CRM marketing automation, funnels, and client communications in one integrated tool. Let me know in the comments if you've tried HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, or GoHighLevel, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.